Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.